What is up, YouTube? This is Alex O, your go-to Houston realtor for new construction. We are in a brand new community by Johnson Development called Grange here in Katy, Texas, and we are going to be touring this beautiful inventory house by Perry Homes. Now, before we get into the home tour, what we do on this channel is we take a look at new construction homes, inventory homes, and new construction communities so that you guys can see what is out there before you even have to set foot in these new communities. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start the home tour. If you like what you see, go ahead, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. So this house right here had a price drop from $762,000 all the way down to $675,000. So this house is going for $675,000. It's a 3,800 square foot house, 5 beds, 4.5 baths with a 3-car garage. Now, first things first, the front of the home, the exterior is beautiful, really nice elevation. You could probably fit about 3 subcompact cars on the driveway on each side for a total of 6. And then just remember you have a 3-car garage as well. The elevation right here, you got a mix of stucco and stone. So that's really nice. I don't see any brick at all. Lots of windows on this house. You guys will see there's going to be a lot of natural light flowing into this house right here. But let's go ahead and take a look inside. So brand new community, HOA is $1,320 annually, and the tax rate is 3.23 before homestead exemption. All right, here we are. So first things first that you guys are going to notice are the very high ceilings. You got this beautiful spiral staircase right here, and then to my left is going to be the formal dining area. All right, so really nice and spacious. It's a very open concept floor plan. Beautiful chandelier, 2 chandeliers right there, a little mini rotunda at the top, and you have that look below when you go upstairs. To my right is going to be the formal office space with glass French doors, double doors. Very open concept here. So all into the main living area. You're going to have LVP throughout the whole house, only carpet upstairs and in the bedrooms. This is a very nice floor plan. I love the high ceilings, and it's about, let's see, 4 o'clock right now, and there's just so much natural light pouring into this house. And I love this right here. You have like this really nice view or reveal of the main living area. And then your kitchen is going to be on the left right there. We have this really nice functional fireplace right here. You can see the fan up there. These are 19-foot ceilings, a wall of windows, so much natural light coming into this house right here. All right, to my right, you just missed this real quick. You're going to have what I'm going to call a guest suite. This is going to be a secondary bedroom with its own closet and bathroom. All right, so you're going to have a total of 2 bedrooms on the first floor, plus the office space. This one isn't going to have a tub. It is going to have a nice walk-in shower though. Space is pretty adequate. And then right over here is going to be your closet space. I think this is a pretty good size closet space right here. I could definitely fit a lot of my laundry in here. Okay, now let's go ahead and head out to the main living area. All right, so let's take a look at this kitchen right here. So very open concept. All right, there's so many ways you can play with furniture here to kind of fill in and close up the space a little bit. I love that you have that look below up here on the second floor. And I love this kitchen island. I'm a sucker for large kitchen islands. I personally, I need the space, and I do most of the cooking in the house, so I can always appreciate more space. You can fit about, I want to say, one, two, three, four bar stools on this kitchen island, which is great. You're going to have quartz countertops. Let me get a close up of that. Quartz countertops throughout the kitchen, a undermount single basin sink, and really, really like the gold accent on this faucet right here. Okay. You have a 5-burner gas cooktop, lots of storage right here. Your pantry is going to be located right here. All right, let's take a look inside here really fast. So lots of shelving for you. Really, really nice and conveniently located right here. So something I noticed about this right here, so you got the 5-burner gas cooktop, stainless steel. What I like about this is that you have the vent hood right here, but I like that it's kind of hidden away. So you can see right under there. All right. So it's not visible and out in the open like most houses that you see. And you can see that it properly leads to the outside. All right. So cabinet space is pretty damn good. Nice and spacious. I'm going to show you guys down there in a little bit, but your main fridge would go right here, and then you have your microwave and your oven already installed right here. You can actually connect to it with Wi-Fi. Extra storage right here. I would probably put my coffee right there or my wine. Now, give you guys one more, get that sun out of there, one more look of the main living area before I show the rest. So let me walk down here really fast, and then we'll head into the primary bed. To my right here is going to be the laundry room, and this actually connects to the primary bathroom. And I'll show you guys that in a bit. We've got more storage right here to my left. All right, lots and lots of storage for you guys. This is going to be another little small coat closet right here for extra storage, and then you're going to have more storage right here, more cabinets. All right, and then right here is going to be your formal dining area. Beautiful. Right over here, you're going to have little extra storage right here, and your half bath is located away from the main living area. Half baths, you don't want it right next to the living room because you don't want to have someone absolutely nuke the half bath and then sheepishly walk out into the main living area. So this is going to be your 3-car garage right here. So you can fit 1, 2, 3. You're going to have a tankless water heater. So tankless water heater, it's going to be less maintenance, unlimited hot water, and energy efficient. Electrical panel located on the inside, and then you have your garage opener. Now, let's go ahead and head into the primary bedroom. Give you guys one more look at this main living area. So the primary bedroom is going to be located on this corner right here. And again, Perry Homes with this house right here, they love windows. They love bringing in that natural light into the house. Give you guys a look at that backyard real quick from the primary bedroom. All right. Now, this is going to be your primary bath. You're going to have double vanities right here, a standalone bathtub. And let me walk into this corner right here. So double vanities, one, two, his and hers. Okay, and you have this standalone walk-in shower as well. You also have a his and hers closet. All right, so keep your items separated and organized. Your toilet room is going to be right here. You know, nothing too crazy. And let's take a look at this walk-in shower. Nice. Linen closet. Open this up for you guys. Very standard linen closet. And here is the second walk-in closet that leads into the laundry room. So doing laundry is going to be super, super easy when your laundry room is located right next to or connects to your main bedroom. All right, so that's the first floor. We'll take a look at the backyard in a bit, but let's go ahead and head upstairs. So upstairs, you're going to have the last three bedrooms along with a game room and a media room. All right, so walking up these spiral stairs, love how this house looks so far. Let me know what you guys think down below. All right, so you have this look below at the front of the house, and then you have this look below into the main living area. All right, so the first bedroom upstairs is going to be to my right. This is going to be probably the biggest secondary bedroom in the house. We're on the second floor. It's going to have its own full-size bathroom. Okay, take a look at that. And then your closet's going to be located right here. All right, so this is a pretty good full-size walk-in closet for a secondary bedroom. Oldest kid gets this room. All right, so you got some extra space up here. Maybe put a desk or bookshelf in that little nook right there, and then over here you're gonna have your dedicated media room with double doors. Okay, so this is really, really nice and spacious here. I love that they got rid of the booby light. There's no nipple. I love that they did that because I've been seeing that booby light. You guys know what I'm talking about. I've been seeing that in so many new construction homes today. Crazy how that light fixture still exists. So you got two linen closets right here. You got one, you got two right there, and then you're gonna have another secondary bedroom right here. This one's also pretty nice and spacious. It's a little bit smaller than the other one. Closet space is nice and square though. So closet space is still pretty good for this room. And then this is going to be the very last bedroom right here. So this one's interesting because it's kind of like a Jack and Jill, but a bit separated. So this sink right here would probably belong to whoever's living in here. Okay, and then let me show you the last bedroom really fast. So a lot of natural light coming into this bedroom right here. So these two bedrooms are probably about the same size. This one doesn't have a door that connects to its own sink. All right, so this one's going to have a bigger sink, and then your closet is going to be located right here. All right, so closet space is going to be a bit tighter in this room. So what I was talking about is, turn on the light really fast. So these two vanities share this bathroom right here. All right, so if I walk in here, okay, close this door, open this one up, I'm back out into this vanity, back out into the second floor on the outside. All right, so that's it for upstairs. Let's go ahead and take a look at final space, the backyard. All right, so if you guys are enjoying this home tour so far, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment what you think about this house. I would love to hear your thoughts on this house. All right, this is probably going to be my last tour for the day. I am running low on battery, but let's get this done. Okay, so close this door really fast. So really nice full covered patio right here. So very tall, 19 feet. You actually have a gas line that you can hook up to a grill right here. All right, so you'll have that option. Backyard size, I think this is a pretty good backyard size. This is pretty ideal for me. And what's great is that the back neighbor is only a single story house. That one might be a single story. This one under construction, I want to say this one's single story as well. But take a look at the back of the house right here. Beautiful. So you actually do have a little bit of brick in the back right here and just a little bit of wood on this side right here. So look at all these windows. There's so many windows in this house to bring in that natural light, soak in the sun a bit. So that's it for today's tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any questions about this house, or if you want to know what it takes to purchase a home in this market here in Houston, Texas, my information will be down below. Give me a call, give me a text, and I would be happy to help you guys out. But that's it for today's tour, and I will see you guys in the next video.